Hi friends, welcome to Easy English with Sebastian. Class 11, Samachir Kalvi, Unit 1, Notice Writing, page 17. What is a notice? A notice is a written or printed piece of information which is given to a large group of people. Notice is written or printed piece of information. Through notice, information is passed to a large group of people. Notice is written for a large group of people. It is not written to a single person. Then it can be given orally. A notice is written or printed piece of information which is given to a large group of people. You would have read many notices put up in your school bulletin board. Bulletin board means notice board. You might have seen many notices like tomorrow will be a holiday, there will be a meeting tomorrow, there will be a program like that. Many notices you might have seen in your notice board. It is displayed on notice boards and at strategic locations. It means it is everyone can see. Notice should be displayed where everyone can access it. There only notice can be displayed. Strategic location meaning everyone can see the notice. In that place, notice should be displayed. What are the points to be remembered while writing notice? First, we have to write on the center of the message above the box the word notice. The word notice must be on the center of the notice. Enclosed in a box. Notice must be written within a box. Do not exceed 50 words. Do not exaggerate. Do not write something your own. Do not go beyond 50 words. It will be very difficult to read. Be brief. Be to the point. It must be in short. Include details of event. Include details of program. Avoid pronouns. Use passive form. Do not use active voice. Format of a notice. So first on the center you write the word notice. Draw a box. Then on the center of the box write down name of the institution. In which institution this notice is written. In which institution this notice will be displayed. That name of the institution. Place of that institution. Below the title. Title means the content of the notice. On the left side, write date. Then body of the notice. Below, name of the writer and designation of the writer. This is the format. Example of notice. So you write notice, center of the notice. The word notice you write down. Then draw a box. Then below, write the institution where you display the notice. Example, government higher secondary school. In government higher secondary school, you are going to display this notice or that event is going to take place and the name of the institution you mention. Below you write title, workshop on precise writing. The notice is about you are giving information about workshop on precise writing that you are writing. Next, left side you are writing date. How to write date? The format of writing date 1st February 2018. This is the format. Below you are giving possible details, you are giving details about the event or details about the program. First, you are using in the message. The message should not exceed 50 words. You are using passive voice. This is to inform all the students of class 11 and 12. So passive form is used. Do not use active voice in notice. This is to inform. You are not telling Evangeline is informing. That is active voice. You are not using active voice. Passive form. This is to inform all the students of class 11 and 12. Then you are mentioning the points. The notice is about what that you are mentioning in the body of the notice. So the notice is about workshop on precise writing. So you are informing about workshop on precise writing. So at first you begin with active passive voice, then you are mentioning about uh, the notice is about what workshop on precise writing, a piece of information you are passing workshop on precise writing. Then you are giving what time this event is going to take place, 9 a.m. Which date and day you mention on 2nd February 2018, Friday. The place of event, where it happens. It is in Government Higher Secondary School. At which room, which place, school auditorium that you mention. Then you mention that it is compulsory or optional you are mentioning. Below you give contact details. Whom should be given name or further details must be get from whom. That the contact details you give. So you don't exceed 50 words. The notice should be short and crispy. Below you mention the name of the writer, Evangeline. The designation of Evangeline, the writer is she is a head girl. So this is example of notice. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.